Hello, my name's Andrew and welcome to the JLG Training Center. Today, in this video, we're going to demonstrate how to install JLG quick attachments onto the JLG telehandler. Before installing any attachment onto a JLG telehandler, ensure the following conditions have been met. If any of these conditions are not met, do not use the attachment. This installation procedure is designed for one-person operation. Position the machine roughly 10 feet from the attachment. Set the parking brake and telescope out to the attachment. Tilt the coupler forward to provide clearance and check to be sure the lock pin is removed. Align attachment pin with the recess in the attachment. Raise boom slightly to engage attachment pin in the recess. Next, tilt the quick attachment backward to engage the attachment. Lift retainer pin and insert lock pin completely through the coupler. Then release retainer pin and ensure lock pin is secure. Finally, visually check that the lock pin protrudes through the hole on both sides of the coupler. If the lock pin does not protrude through the coupler, place the attachment on the ground and re-engage the attachment. We hope this video has clarified any questions you had about attaching attachments onto your JLG telehandler. If you have any questions about anything JLG related, feel free to reach out to us at 877-JLG-LIFT or look us up online at jlg.com. Thank you very much. Have a great day.